So we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Summer Infant 4-in-1 Super Seat Sit, Snack, and Play for 4 months to 4 years old, up to 33 pounds. And that's what it looks like. Hopefully you guys can see. So we're going to pull out all the pieces out and then I'll show you. Okay, so when you open the box, you're going to get the toys. I'm going to open that up so my daughter can play with right now. So when I open the package, we do have a toy here with some screws, and it came with a strap. So I'm going to give her the ones that are safe right now for her to play with, which are going to be the ball, the little keys, and this one right here. All right, this is everything in the box that it comes with, minus the extra few toys. This is the one that I showed you with the screws and the strap. It comes with the little play bar, and the little connections, and then the seat. And then it has this piece right here too as well, and the little padding. It's pretty good, pretty fluffy. You can see here, this is the thin, I'm gonna show it. And then instructions. So let's see if we can set this up, and I will show you step by step so you don't have to read the instructions. For step 1, all we're going to do is you're going to get this gray piece. We're going to connect it into here where you can see the little holes, little notches. It's going to go into here, and this needs to click into here. So let's try to do this. Let's go that way. I think it is. Yeah, sorry. So just make sure all this is out of the way, and then we're gonna connect, okay? Okay, so what I did to make sure everything's out of the way, I just pulled the pink part up, and then just shove this in there, and then let's see if it's going to work. All right, so there you go, everything's in. There's nothing inside the little leg separator thing. All right, so just make sure you follow this. Big, small, it's gonna go in here. Okay, remove this. Make sure everything is nice. And that's what it looks like. Okay, so that doesn't go in the front. It goes in the back. So it looks like I have a little piece right here that's not like going in. I mean, not going in, but it's sticking out. But let's just hit it really hard, and that's pretty much. Now let's go to the next step. So they give you 2 screws. They give you short ones and long ones. We're going to be using the long ones. So it looks like this. We're going to put the screw into this hole right here, this hole, these 2, and that 2. So that should be 6 screws all together. So when you're going to insert this, you want to make sure when it's inside, it looks like this when it's inside, not like this, because it's going to come off. It has to be like this. In the next step, we're going to insert this piece into the holes, this one into here, and then the straps into there. All the straps and the little holes. After you're done installing the big screws up here, you're going to connect these, and there's only 2 spots on the tray that you need to put the smaller screws in. So it's going to be this one, this one, this one, this one. This is going to be the middle empty piece right here, and that one right here, and that one right here. Then once you connect it, then it's a lot easier for you to put this thing in the back on. This slides on through here, and it's kind of self-explanatory. The next thing is you're going to just pop this on. Again, self-explanatory. Next one is you're going to get the little toy, and you can do the same thing. Has a little piece like that. We're going to stick it in here. Go to the bottom, make sure it's nice. This one they suggest to put it on this side. You can see, and then this one they suggest to put it on this side. But of course, you can put it on either side if you want to. And there's going to be a little hook, so you can hook that on there. So let me do that. I'll show you. Okay, so I said triangle, cube, and then I was looking at this. I was like, okay, maybe they suggest this way. Probably looked at the picture backwards. So of course, self-explanatory. Get it together, Ashley. Circle goes with circle, and then I put this with the key. This is what it looks like. I don't know. And you can just turn it over here. It's a little bit smooth. I mean, it can be a lot smoother. You can hear it has a little bit kind of up. I guess that's good for the baby. You know. Then we get to install the straps on. So I'll show you that. Okay, so I got one of the straps and I insert it to here. Insert another one here. As you can see here, I just want to make sure. Oops, when you pull on it, there you go. It's gonna look like that. The next straps looks like it's gonna be somewhere around the front. So then right here and right here. So I'm just gonna connect those. So it looks like they come very long. You can see that. So let's try to make sure we got this correct. And put the strap in. There you go. Now let's go to the next one. And then, when you're done doing that, you can tighten them. So when you feed the baby, you can use it as a feeding seat, a booster seat, an activity seat, and just a regular position support seat as well. Yeah, so pretty much. So we don't need this, so we're just gonna tighten it. If I just pull it. Yep, pulling it, it's gonna work too. Okay, so let me do that. Okay, so I tighten this as tight as I can put it right now. It's a lot of extra strap. So I'm just gonna throw the extra straps in here. And hopefully it doesn't get caught. I wish I had something so I can put the extra strap in. But it really doesn't have nothing. Okay, so the end of this, I'm just going to show you what the product looks like, which you guys already seen. And then I'm going to show you the step-by-step instruction manual. Oh, it has some of the little plastic on it. But I'm going to show you everything in here. So, oh, it comes with this as well. This was like stuck in the bottom. I just took it off. This is good, just in case if there's a recall, you can get your money back, or anything changes or whatever. So, oh, look at this, came off. So, okay. Let's see. Okay. Oh my goodness gracious. Hopefully my kid does not pull this off when she gets bigger. So like I said, you can definitely spin the chair like so. Spin it however you want to spin it. And in the bottom, if you want to take the trays off or anything like that, we have this bottom piece right here. We have one right here. And I know we have one on the, nope, it's only just one. So we have one right here. This is what it looks like, how it connects. As you can see here, this little hook thing connects to everything. And you can take everything off, so you can see right here. So if this don't work for whatever reason, you can do it manually right here. All you do is just pull from the bottom see if I can do this. Can't really do it. Okay. Use my. There you go. See? And that helps you take the shit off. See? Did you just see that thing fall? Ridiculous. Okay. So, as you can see, that's how you basically take it off. And then you just slide this off. Or you can just pull it off or tug it off from that end. And it should come off. So pretty much. And the only drawback I don't like about this is the, what do you guess? This part right here. I mean, I like it. That's why I got it. But it doesn't snap in all the way. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. But pretty much. So I'm just going to show you the instructions right now.